Look at that pile of shit. Hello and welcome back to Homesteading Northern Michigan. Today, I have to put these guys in their new home. But first, I have to clean it out. So, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna shovel and rake all this stuff out of here and put down new bedding. Along with cleaning that out and putting the bedding down, there is a couple little repairs that I have to do to the coop. I have to refasten these up. The pins that I was using didn't hold up to the change in the wood as it dried. So I have some loose panels here, so I'm going to go over those again. I already fixed the upper door. I'm going to do it to this one so I don't have to worry about the chicks getting out. And I'm going to check out everything else in there and make sure that's all good. Got some spider webs. Get those down. Now remember, we had the meat birds in here also. So this isn't just rabbit poop and straw. So it's composted up a little bit. We'll see how good it is. But you can see how the lip is. I have quite a bit of material to take out of here. And then I'm going to replace it with some more composting material and let the animals do their job. Okay, so I loaded up the wheelbarrow and I picked it up, started going, and I started walking it. And I'm like, where am I taking this? So I'm out here right now looking for a spot to put this compost. Right over here, with the chicken coop right here, it's my apple tree. I'm thinking about having it, well, I'm going to have a garden. I have that barrel right there. I'm making a gutter system. I'm going to have an automatic waterer. So that's also in the process. But I'm thinking right here is where the garden's going to be. But I haven't tilled it. And obviously I still got a down tree here. And I mean, I'm still a work in progress. This was my old compost pile. This is, I removed all the, well, not all of them, because there's this row right here, but the rows. So I still got a little compost there. It looks like I got potatoes growing up. I do have potatoes and tomatoes. Okay, I got a little garden right here. I'll go with that. It's all a mess. Everywhere's a mess. Okay, so this is what I came up with. Obviously I'm in the area. I was kind of thinking about it because I'm kind of thinking that I want this area all to be a garden. All the way over here. All this a big garden. It'd be probably about the same size as my other garden. So I think I'm just going to drop the compost. I have to grab that log. I can't do it there. I was going to drop it there. But I have to get in and out through here. I don't think I can get the tractor through there and all up there. I'm just going to drop it right here. Boom, right there, next to the other compost pile. That'll work. So I got her all raked out, cleaned out. Looking good. Bunnies look happy. Mama tipped all her food. So she's about tipped all her water, so I gotta refeed them. See the pile. My wheelbarrow is comparison. So we're gonna do the other run, but before that, I'm gonna go ahead and get these wood chips. Chips that I chipped and shredded up a while ago. They had some leaves in them. Looks like they're already starting to compost a little. Nice and wet. It doesn't look like much, but this was a low spot in my yard. So it's like, there's quite a bit here. There's at least 2 treetops here. So I gotta get that shoveled up. I can just keep going. You can keep digging. Keep going more. Just keeps going. There we go, my friends. All done. I'm gonna do this next side. But you guys aren't gonna see that. I'm gonna do it tomorrow. It's getting late. Well guys, I'd like to thank you for watching Homesteading Northern Michigan. If you could, hit the subscribe button, ring the notification bell. And as always, a super special shout out to all my Michiganders who clicked that join button. If you want to become a Michigander and help support my homestead, click that join button. Or you can click on my Teespring store. You guys have a very blessed day. Peace.